Kia ora, my loves! We're celebrating Mahuru Māori this month, and we're excited to share a poi making activity with you that you can do at your whare. Poi is a fun activity to make with an adult, and you can continue creating with your poi. My ringa don't have any fingers, so I've asked my friend Craft Queen Halo to help me out today. Kia ora, Halo! Are you ready to make some poi? Ka pai! Let's get started! Kinoa tahua. That looks like fun! I like what you've done to decorate your poi. Oh, I see what you've done there. Whoa, you're moving a little fast. Ooh, I like what you've done with that braiding. Choice! So that's how you do that. That looks amazing! Your poi looks amazing! I hope you had fun and are inspired to make your own poi. Ka kite, Halo! Now is your chance to embrace the challenge of Mahuru Māori. You could speak or write or sing or create using te reo Māori. Kia kaha Mahuru Māori, ka kite!